those were some useful tips. I just hope I can find my way to at least one jewel. Ugh! Ow! Ow! What did I just hit? Oh, clouds don't feel like that. Oh my gosh! Augusta! I'm sorry! What are you doing up here? Oh, yeah. I forgot. What are you doing up here? That's the question. Well, you see... Oh! That is a lot of stuff to expect from, well, an 8-year-old. Augusta, what am I going to do? Well, I don't know. But I just totally wish that I could, find this jewel faster or something, or at least have some directions to the nearest jewel. Hello, sir. Can I have some directions to the nearest jewel of life? That would sound pretty weird, wouldn't it? Yes. But you just keep on going forward. Then, once you feel that you've gone forward enough, let your senses guide you. Let my senses guide me? What the... Augusta? Where'd you go? Augusta? That's... Maybe it was a hallucination. It is kind of hot up here. The sun is, like, nearer to here than the earth. Can I scare you? Ah! Oh. Yeah, I know. But, do you know something? What? I've been missing you. Ever since you were kidnapped, people have been looking for you. Wait a minute. Did you... Yeah, that's it. Yes. I did. Have you been dead all these 2 months? Yes. Ever since that kidnapper kidnapped me, I've been gagged. And he planned to stab me in the back in the morning, but I suffocated from being gagged for too long. Oh. I'm sorry. Do you know where your body is? He threw it into the lake. Oh. Is there any chance that it's still there? Probably, but it's probably reduced to a very, very gross state. tell my mom to tell them that to search the lake so that they can find you and give you a proper burial. You do that? You're the best friend ever. I'd do anything to give my friend a proper burial. Have you found another best friend? No. No one can replace you, Augusta. Summer, I'm sorry that I had to leave you. I've been watching over you, and I missed you. I've been wanting to touch you and to laugh with you. Touch me, hug you. Oh. When you said touch me, that sounded kind of creepy. I guess it did. Do you know who your killer was? His name is Bruce Marionette. Any accomplices? No. But I'll make sure that he's sentenced to death. Personally. You'd do that? Well, I guess I'll see you later. I would have liked it if you died. I want you to live, but I still want to play with you. Yes, Augusta. I know. Good luck. Best friend. Wait! What? If you touch a red jewel, then horrible things will happen. Not saying that you'll die, but horrible things will happen. Okay, I'll be on the lookout for any red jewels.